Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. So let's get started with the question I have today. And the question today I have is how to optimize responsive search ad campaign, adding new relevant keywords from search terms and adding negative keywords. Maybe okay, constantly trying or improving your campaign is a very good idea. But apart from this, there are certain things you can do, such as changing your bidding strategies, trying different ad copies, working on different timings, ad searches to see what times are working well for you, looking out on your new locations, figuring out on your locations, and that can also contribute to a very good amount of conversions, improving or decreasing, and that can also help you in improving your CTR and quality score, which can ultimately help you in reducing your CPC cost. But right now, sticking to your question regarding adding new relevant keywords from search terms and adding negative keywords, the process is very simple. All you have to do is to oh, but this is one kind of a Google Ads account dashboard. Let's say we can move over here. You can see over here, for instance, this is a basic account, and I can move to the basic campaign, and I can see over here. Now this is an account, and for instance, this is a campaign over here, and this is a search campaign. And for instance, if I what I have to do is to go to the keywords and go to the search terms. Search terms are those queries through which actually people came from. Search keywords are your targeted keywords through which you have added in your search to target, but search terms are the eventual final keywords through which people came. And you can look around on this, you can focus with the conversions. Like this is, let's say if I move on to the conversions over here, it's going down. Let's say okay, I can see over here, this keyword is generating 49 conversions. Is it added? This is added. I can look around on it, but these two keywords have already got me, conversions. So I can add it as well over here as well. So, to generate more sales over here. This is one another way of optimizing, these few keywords. That also generated me conversions. I can add them, to get pure targeted from them, target conversion from them, and then I can look around on those keywords. For instance, these keywords, did not generate any conversions for us, but they costed us clicks. So we can add them as a negative keyword so that we do not get traffic from them. Okay, this is a very good strategy to optimize your campaign. But apart from search, I recommend you to work around on looking. For instance, if you have to look on the settings, I may recommend you to try bid impression share in your bidding strategy. That can also help you, like over here as well. You can do target CPA. That is also very good. You can do the conversions, max conversions, and uh, impression share is also very good to try it around, to see what is working well for you. You can look around in your locations to figure out what areas are working well for you. You can look around on your timings. You can look around on your ad schedule, which areas timings are working well for you. Figure out by creating specific days, hours, what areas, what times. You can see the most conversions. For instance, you can see that the conversion ratio is different, but the Saturdays are the most converting days with 16% conversion rate. That is very good observation, and we can do the hourly conversion to figure out which hours. For instance, if I figure out like 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. 27 conversions, 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. 29 conversions, and 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. is 17 conversions, and 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. 10 conversions. So I can figure out what timings are, I'm getting good conversions, and that can also help in optimizing your responsive search campaign. You can also look around on your devices, and you can see out. For instance, the tablet is not working well for you, we can decrease the budget by 100%. Or we can see that the cost per conversion is peak at 112 for mobile phones. So it means that the mobile phone cost is very good, so we can target more on mobile phones. We can do bit adjustment over here as well. So in case if you need help in optimizing your Google Ads campaign, we have a 100 plus step policy to optimize your campaign, and to improve your campaign results. So in case if you need our services, all you have to do is to click on the link in the description, and me and my team can help you in optimizing your existing Google Ads, Facebook ads, or SEO campaigns. We can even help you in creating a new one as well. And I hope this answers your question as well. In case if you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that whenever we create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding my new videos. And in case if you have any questions regarding this video, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. I will be happy to answer as long as it's related to the video as well. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.